shark's mouth, the car should not go into the shark's mouth. Do you have this? This? So let's start unbox it now. Now, first let's unbox it. Now, okay. Now I'm going to put this.
Now what do we do next? No? See, this has got a open here thing here.
Yeah.
So we just pull it and it will open. Okay, we do not need a scissor or something. We just
Open. We can open it very easily.
Don't tear it.
Now we need a little bit scissors for the sellotapes. Isna, Papa? It's called Robo shark. This is the shark. Papa, you told me not to tell, but why are you telling me?
See, it is a open. Here symbol is here also.
Yeah.
So we take out the. What is this?
Instructions.
This is the Save Hot Wheels City
Yeah.
instructions book. How we make a.
A Hot Wheels city. It
Yes.
will look like this.
Then this is what? This is the instruction book.
Yeah.
The number 1
How to build this?
like this. So let us start step by step.
Yeah. I will need a little bit help for this.
Yeah. So see, we have a opening symbol here to unlock it.
Yeah, here also.
This one and this one. Now let us take this out.
We need scissors.
No, we should not.
For these things.
Now we have this.
Yeah, we have this, the shark's mouth. Do you see this shark's mouth? We will put your cold water and we will do it like this. Then we will just put it wherever it is. Then when it will come to cold water, it will change the color. Then you have to do this will launch your. Then you have to try to save the car from going to into this one. You have to put cold water here and hot water in the shark's mouth. Yes, na, Baba?
Yes. Now we take out the car and we take it. Yeah. Now let us set it up. More. You want help?
Yeah.
What help you want?
I need the instruction book.
Let us see.
See?
So number 1 is close the robo shark jaws, move gate to prepare for a crash.
We have to put the, I told you we have to put cold water in. What is this?
So the step 1, we close the jaws. Step 2, take a swim in the ice ocean water. Watch the colors in before loading on the boat. So wait.
We have to do like this.
Okay. Let us figure this out. This way.
I can do a little bit correct.
Let's set here.
Yeah. Then we can get this.
This is used to take out the car.
Yeah. Then automatically it will get
Goes inside. So this is the lift the car and load the car into the boat launcher. This is the boat launcher.
Whoa.
Okay. So we put the cold water. No. Number 2 step is for the cold water. Icy ocean water. This is for the cold water.
Yeah, icy ocean. And we are done. This much is covered done.
And fill in warm water. Okay.
Now,
This is the warm water, Mama.
yes, Papa took it.
You put some
Warm.
warm. So let us continue filling the icy cold water.
Yeah.
The cold water container and
And the hot water.
hot water in the shark's mouth.
Yeah.
We say to put warm water, do not put this very hot water. Just put warm water in. Okay?
Yeah.
And now let's close the shark's mouth.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is a yellow color car.
And this is the red color.
Let's see if it changes the color.
Yeah.
We put it in the
Cold water.
cold water container. Now what do? We lift this,
Yeah.
put it in the launcher. How do we do it? We lift it using this. It went in the launcher, and now we wait. Let us
Yeah.
and let us launch it and see if it goes in the shark's mouth or it
no.
jumps outside.
Yeah. Yeah, it jumps outside. What are you, Papa?
It did not. Oh, it did not go in the shark's mouth. Let us try again.
Yeah, let me show. Just
1, 2,
see.
3.
Yeah, now it's gone. No, now it's happening.
No, it did not. Let's try again.
Yeah.
Okay? 1, 2.
Yeah.
Let's try again.
Yeah.
Oh. Yay!
What the
So
color?
our car went inside the hot water.
But the color didn't change.
But the color, it might take some time for the color to change. Let's wait for it.
Yeah.
Let's close it. Let's close the car inside the shark's mouth and try with another car. So we have another Hot Wheels. We put it inside the cold water container.
Yeah.
We lift the container
Yeah.
and Parikshet, now you try.
3, 2, 1.
Oh,
This also gone.
so this also came inside. Now let us try to not put it inside the shark's mouth. Let us try to save the car from the shark's mouth. Okay?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh God.
Wow.
We have to be faster.
Yeah.
Okay?
Let me do this another. I got too fast.
Yes. Oh, oh.
This is what they are.
Oh, 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 oh.
Oh.
So we are done. Now how do we pack it up? We slowly. The instruction book says it says collect other sets to build your own home. Drain excess water behind launcher. Detach the empty bottle in blue and red water tanks. So we can detach the blue water tank. How can we detach it? Give me the scissor, Mama, once.
But why will we decide this? Papa? But we will do, why will we do that?
Let us open it first. Now we detach it. See, this comes out.
Yeah.
We put the water. We empty this and then we put it back. Similarly, we pour down the take this back,
Yeah.
pour it out. Put it back and done. So this will make our mamas not angry, isn't it?
Yeah.
So now let us pack it up.